The sudden death of the K-pop star and Astro band member Moonbin has left the fans in a state of shock. Reports suggest that the 25-year-old took his own life, and currently an autopsy is underway to determine the exact cause of his death. His agency Fantiago released an official statement and broke the news of the K-pop singer's sudden death. The statement read, "This is Fantiago. First, we apologize for having to convey this sorrowful and heartbreaking news. On April 19th, Astro member Moonbin suddenly left us and has now become a star in the sky. Although it cannot compare to the grief of the bereaved family that had to part with their beloved son and brother, his fellow artists and the staff here at Fantiago, who have been together with him for a long time, are also deeply mourning the departed amidst tremendous shock and sorrow." The agency also sympathized with Moonbin's fans and advised them to stay away from any speculative or malicious reports. It pains us even more to have to convey this sudden news to the fans who have given their unsparing love and support to Moonbin, because we know all too well just how unparalleled Moonbin was in love for his fans, whom he was constantly thinking of. The grief is all the more overwhelming. In order for the bereaved family, who had fallen into great sorrow due to the sudden tragedy, to be able to respectfully mourn the departed and say their goodbyes, we entreat you to please refrain from speculative or malicious reports. In accordance with the wishes of the bereaved family, the funeral will be held as quietly as possible, with family, close friends and agency colleagues in attendance. Moonbin was scheduled to perform at the upcoming Dream concert as part of the group's activity. Astro originally consists of 6 members. It debuted in February 2016. In February this year, it was announced that member Rocky would be exiting the group following the expiration of his contract with the company. Currently, it has only MJ, Jinjin, Cha Eunwoo and Sanha. Moonbin has worked as an actor and model before joining the popular boy band Astro in 2016 at the age of 18. The sudden death of Moonbin has once again drawn attention to the increasing cases of suicides among youngsters in South Korea. Several other K-pop stars have died in recent years, including Goo Hara in November 2019. Reportedly, she was abused by an ex-boyfriend who, after they split, blackmailed her over their sex videos. Reportedly, her close friend and fellow K-pop star Sulli killed herself after a long struggle with online bullying a month before. In 2018, 33-year-old Minwoo of boy band 100% died at home, with his label only saying he had suffered cardiac arrest. Just over 3 months earlier, the group SHINee's lead singer Jonghyun died by a suspected suicide. He was 27. K-pop stars are picked up by agencies at a young age, usually in their early or mid-teens, and live under tight control, with their days taken over by grueling music and dance training. South Korea has one of the world's highest rates of suicide, which according to recent government figures is among the top causes of death for those under 40. Following the shocking news of his death, Astro fans, popularly referred to as Aroha, took to various social media platforms to pay their respects and offer their condolences to his family. They also offered prayers for his sister Moonsua, who is also a K-pop singer. She is a part of the girl group Billy. Emotional fans have been revisiting clips of Moonbin from his performances and fan interactions as well. Several clips of him sharing heartfelt moments with his fellow Astro members are going viral now. Besides Aroha, fandom of other K-pop groups including BTS, Blackpink, EXO and more have been offering tributes to Moonbin.